In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a product backlog in ClickUp for Agile projects. We'll walk through a clean, practical setup that keeps your features, enhancements, and user stories organized and ready for sprint planning. First, open ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and log in. If you're in a shared workspace, make sure you have permissions to create spaces and folders. This will ensure you can build the structure we're about to set up without friction. Next, create a dedicated Agile space. Click Spaces, select Add Space, and name it Product Backlog. Enabling lists here is important because lists will hold your backlog items in a way that's easy to sort, filter, and prioritize. Think of a space as the home for your backlog, with everything grouped neatly beneath it. Inside that space, add a folder called Backlog Management. A folder gives you another layer of organization so you can keep backlog work separate from active sprint boards or other project areas. Now, create a list named Backlog Items. This will be your central backlog. Each task in this list will represent a single feature, enhancement, or user story. At this point, a quick note. If you need the app or website, you'll find the official website link and the desktop download link at the very top of the description, so you can follow along as you build. Start adding tasks for each backlog item. Use clear action-oriented names like User Login Feature, Profile Page Update, or Bug Fixes. In the task descriptions, capture the user story or acceptance criteria so anyone can quickly understand what's needed and why it matters. To make your backlog truly useful, add custom fields. Include priority to rank importance, story points to estimate effort, assigned developer to clarify ownership, and status to track progress. These fields give you powerful sorting and filtering options and make sprint planning much faster. Set up your backlog statuses to reflect your workflow. To do for new items, in progress when work starts, ready for sprint for items groomed and approved and completed when done. Keep your status names consistent across teams to avoid confusion. Finally, review and groom your backlog using list or board view. Sort by priority or story points. Drag and drop to reorder and filter by status to prep the next sprint. Regular grooming keeps the top of your backlog clean, focused, and actionable. That's it! You now have a clear ClickUp setup to manage your product backlog and plan Agile projects efficiently. Thanks for watching.